Welcome back to the Tokyo Walking Tales channel. I'm Musab, your guide to the enchanting streets of Tokyo. In today's episode, we're diving into the heart of this vibrant city, uncovering hidden gems and sharing stories that make Tokyo truly come alive. Our journey begins in the historic district of Asakusa, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Join me as we wander through the Nakamisa Street, lined with shops that have been here for centuries. Let's step into Sensoji Temple, where tranquility envelops you amidst the urban buzz. Savoring culinary delights at Tsukiji Musab. No visit to Tokyo is complete without a culinary adventure. We're heading to Tsukiji Outer Market, a paradise for food enthusiasts. From freshly grilled seafood to delectable street snacks, your taste buds are in for a treat. Join me as we savor the flavors that define Tokyo's gastronomic scene. A tranquil escape to Shinjuku-gyoen. Amidst the bustling cityscape lies a tranquil oasis, Shinjuku-gyoen. Let's take a leisurely stroll through lush gardens, vibrant cherry blossom trees, and peaceful ponds. It's a breath of fresh air and a perfect escape from the urban hustle. Neon nights in Shibuya Crossing. As the sun sets, Tokyo transforms into a dazzling spectacle of lights and life. Our next stop is the iconic Shibuya Crossing. It's a mesmerizing blend of neon signs, bustling crowds, and the heartbeat of the city. Join me as we navigate this vibrant intersection and soak in the energy of Tokyo's nightlife. Thank you for joining me on this Tokyo adventure. From historic streets to modern marvels, Tokyo is a city of endless tales waiting to be explored. Be sure to subscribe to the Tokyo Walking Tales channel for more captivating journeys through this incredible city. Until next time, keep wandering and keep exploring.